So when we took on this sustainability challenge, we were asked to keep a record of our regular rubbish and our recycling, and we found that we had over 100 pieces of regular trash and over 100 pieces of recycling. And after that first week, we spent the next 2 weeks trying to produce as little rubbish or recycling as possible, and we were able to not produce any in that whole fortnight. And we found that there are some pretty simple things that you can do to change your habits and your practices, and they include things like buying in bulk from the whole foods store and buying in glass jars and stainless steel containers, and taking your own bags to the shops so that you're avoiding single-use plastics as much as possible.
We shifted our focus a lot to composting and to repurposing materials that we'd normally throw in the bin or recycle. So things like this pile of postage adhesive labels, we now use them to tie up our tomatoes. Little things like that we can use, so we don't actually have anything that's left over for the recycling or the rubbish at all. It's now much quicker to go to the shops. We know where we're going to go to get what we need. We take our jars, we fill the jars, we bring them home and we put them on the shelf, and that's it. We don't have to think about it again. We don't have to throw them away when they're finished. We just go next week and fill up our jars again.
So we find ourselves asking 3 simple questions when we go shopping now, which is, do I need this thing? And is there an alternative that produces less waste? And if there is waste, where's that going to end up? And so if we're a bit more mindful about our shopping habits and the impact that the packaging and the waste can have, then it's leading us to shop a lot more healthily for us and for the environment. And we're going to continue trying to live this way and continuing to try and improve. And we would encourage others to do something similar and trying to find alternatives for products that produce a lot of waste and seeing how much they can reduce it. It's easy and it's fun and it's doable, which is, I think, a really important aspect to it.